How to make him regret losing you. Ladies, if you right now going through breakup and you feel miserable, you want him to regret, you want him to understand that he lost you and feel very bad about it, that he lost such a great, amazing woman who was always there for him, who was open, who was vulnerable with him, who was available, and who was ready to build something real and something meaningful. But for some reason, your relationship has ended. Maybe he just needed his space, maybe you just been fighting a lot, or maybe he even cheated on you. I don't know what exactly happened. But your desire right now is to show him what he lost and make him realize his loss and make him regret even treating you like that and regret that you're not in his life anymore. If you want individual advice from me, please feel free to reach me out to my WhatsApp to schedule coaching call with me or to get more details about my coaching. Link to my WhatsApp I left down below this video. Your first initiative actions that you may be doing is you posting all of these meaningful stories in your social media, sad songs, or maybe first chaps, like you go party, you go drinking, maybe you going on dates, maybe you start posting the things from your dates, maybe you buying yourself flowers, or some man sent you flowers, you posting these flowers, you try to make him jealous, you do all of these meaningful things, or maybe you even try to go to the places where he is going just to get his attention, or you try to go to places where his friends are going. And these things are not only not working, ladies, but they also put you in this emotional spiral as well, because when you try so hard to get his attention while he could care less about you, this just looks desperate, ladies. It looks very low class, and everyone can see that. I can tell you that. Not only your boyfriend, but all of your friends, all of his friends, they can see what you're doing, and this doesn't seem cool. Ladies, this doesn't scream high value woman. This doesn't scream high self-worth, self-love, and self-respect. So what to do instead to actually change this dynamic and make him realize his loss, regret it, and maybe even try to come back to you? I'll tell you in this video. By the way, my name is Paulina. I'm life and mindset coach for women. I help women to go from insecure, anxious, needy to magnetic, feminine, attractive, so they can build high value love and high value relationship. Subscribe my channel if it sounds something that you may like. So number one step, ladies, what do I actually want you to do is to disappear for a little bit, vanish from social media. You need to have this time to heal. You need to have this time purely to yourself, just to feel like yourself again. You need to heal. You need to grieve. You need to let go of all of this pain that you may be feeling right now. Go to therapy, go to coaching. Try to watch as many videos on how to feel after breakup as you like and as you want, because this is actually helping when you feel that you're not alone, when you feel that okay, like it's gonna pass, because it will, ladies. I've been going through such a major breakup 3 years ago. I literally thought I'm not gonna survive this. It was so painful, so hard, but here I am. I feel my best, and I healed and I grew so much from that experience. Now I'm actually grateful. But in the moment, it seems like your life is over, that you're never gonna like anyone again, that you're never gonna find anyone again, that you're literally gonna stay alone forever. But it's not true. So take your time. And while you're healing, ladies, I want you to put your focus back from this relationship to your life and start asking yourself that, okay, like what would make me super happy right now? Maybe go travel, maybe start new business that I really wanted to start for the longest time, maybe find new hobby, maybe elevate and improve my appearance, maybe start going to the gym, to the Pilates, maybe do something nice to my hair, maybe try new makeup routine, maybe glow up, change my style a little bit. So for the next 3 months, ladies, I want you to start treating yourself as the most important project in your life. And I'm telling you, as soon as this man gonna feel that, okay, like her energy has switched, she's not chasing me anymore, she's not begging, she's not like calling me drunk Friday night, because you quit drinking. Ladies, for the next 3 months, I don't want you to drink, smoke, do any like stupid and silly stuff, because this is not gonna make him regret. This is only gonna make him see your misery. And this is not what we want. And I could care less about him. I care about you, and your experience and what you're going through. And when you're gonna go party and drink and smoke and do all of this stuff, it's not going to make you feel better. Yes, maybe in a moment you'll feel just immediate relief for like 1 or 2 hours, but then you're going to have this huge serotonin drop and you're going to feel even 10 times more miserable than before. So please don't do this. I want you to be the healthiest version of yourself for the next 3 months. Start eating healthy. Of course, after you grieved, for 1-2 weeks, I don't want you to push yourself too hard. No, you need to have this time to rot in bed, to feel depressed, to cry over sad songs. You need to release these emotions. But after that, when you're done rotting, when you're done suffering and crying, you start treating yourself as the best project in your life. And it's supposed to be few things you're working on: your appearance, your lifestyle, your gym routine, your schedule, your work, your business. You can start blog. You can join some communities like a run club or Pilates studio, yoga studio. You find new people to talk to. You start going to events. You start being social. Ladies, if you sit at home for months and suffering like Bella in a twilight, he's not gonna regret losing you. He's not even gonna think about you, and he's not gonna feel this new energy shift that you're going through. And also, it's not gonna make you happy. So what I want you to do is to pick 3 things that you're gonna prioritize for the next few months and put your laser focus on it. First and number 1, it can be your body, because when you're working on your body and treat it as your project, it's very grounding. It makes you happy. It produces a lot of good hormones that make your mood better. You start feeling more confident about yourself. So this is literally all win. Do activity that you like: running, walking, yoga, Pilates, gym, treadmill, like dance classes, anything you can think of. This is supposed to be your first priorities, ladies. Second priority is your appearance. Think, what can you elevate? Maybe you're gonna go do eyelash extension, or buy yourself a few more dresses that you feel very sexy and very comfortable in. Maybe you'll do something nice to your hair. You do something that makes you feel hotter and more attractive. If we connect these two together, it's already gonna make huge change in the 3 months. Your boyfriend gonna look at you like on social media or just like see you around and be like, oh my God, who is that woman? Why is she so glowing after she actually break up with me? Maybe it was me who influenced bad on her. You know what I mean? And third thing, ladies, I want you to prioritize. It's your passion in life. It can be your hobby, it can be your business, it can be your work. It's nothing better than go deep into your career, into your business, into something that you like doing after breakup, ladies, because you have so much energy, anger, sadness. And in this kind of state, people create the greatest things, the greatest songs, the greatest like plays, the greatest pictures, like artists and creative people, they get fueled by this suffering, and this bad emotions and this like grief and all this sadness. So you can utilize this as well. You can use this energy to create something great. I want you to make it as a midterm project. Don't set goals for a year, because everything can change for a year, and right now you're not in a place. I want you to get quick result. I want you to set midterm goal for 3 months, see results, what elevated because you did that. And this exact thing not only will make you feel amazing about yourself, but also will make him regret losing you. It's no better feeling, ladies, when in 3 months he stayed exactly where he is, or even downfall because he broke up with you, because he started to go out and like just forget about his life, and responsibilities. But you became richer, hotter, more successful, more glowing. It's no better feeling. And you see him somewhere outside, you in your new dress, you with your new hair, your eyes is glowing, your body is tea, you look amazing, you're radiating this magnetic energy, you feel good about yourself because you get into your goals, you're working on something meaningful. It's no better feeling. And you can be sure that his friends gonna see this too, and people that he knew, and they're gonna tell him like, did you see what happened to Lisa, for example? Like, what is up with her? Like, she is glowing, she's in her prime, like she looks amazing, like you saw, like she started new business, like she's thriving. This when he's gonna regret. This when he's gonna realize that, oh my god, I lost something great. But from this, you're gonna win, I don't want you to take him back, because you can be sure if you do that, he'll ask to come back to you, or he'll try to test the waters, to text you, to give you a call, or to ask you like, I miss you, how have you been? Do not entertain this, ladies. Do not entertain this low effort. If he is serious with his intentions to returning you and making you come back to him, he needs to work for it. Ladies, you do not entertain the text, 3 a.m. call, drunk call. You do not entertain this. You treat like he never happened into your life, and you ignore him completely, right? After no contact, because he will come back. If you do what I told you to do in this video, at least for like 20%, he's gonna regret. Because men always regret leaving something behind that became even greater. Imagine that he sold the Bitcoin for 10,000 and now it's worth 40,000. Of course, he's gonna regret selling that Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So I want you to become this Bitcoin. I want you to become the greatest version of yourself. Not only for him to regret, but for you. Because when you become like this, you're gonna attract 10 times better men than this one. More successful, more ambitious, more handsome, more fit, because you're gonna be better version of yourself, and we attract what we are. That's all. Ladies, let me know in the comments if you're going through some breakup right now, if you really want him to regret, and like this video if you enjoyed this topic, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.